Alright, here are the rules. No hiding in vehicles. No hiding outside of the perimeter. No going to any buildings of any kind.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Ready or not, here it comes. So how's the secret? I was finding them out there. I got a little motto, it goes a little something like this. If you ain't hidden, who you kidding? I'ma find you. I'ma find you.
You see, I was the opportunist. You know, you do what you gotta do. I mean, we're all in it to win it.
When you're out there and you don't know when he's going to catch you or where he is, you know, your adrenaline just starts pumping and your heart's pounding and you don't know what's going to happen.
Get in here.
What, are you crazy?
Well, you were cheating over there.
Come on, dude, we're not supposed. What are you? Like, come on, dude.
I mean, you were cheating out there.
Dude, we're not supposed to be in here.
Well, do you think it really matters right now?
Yes, it matters. What if he catches us?
Well, God. Cheater! Ah!
Ah! Ah!
All y'all oxen free.